Hi guys, it's Ashlyn and
Elena.
And today we'll be reacting to the first time Sarah Jeffrey clean a mink. So 3, 2, 1, play. Oh, looks like she's drawing a picture. Ooh, she looks pretty.
She does.
Ooh, she being a bit sassy, closing her book like that.
Dang.
Whoa, is that Ben?
What?
I thought Mal was with Ben. Were they a thing? Oh yeah, because that's what they were. She looks so much different from what she used to be.
Hold on. Let's them together. She still kept them?
I can't believe
That's crazy. She still kept them.
Oh, she'll be the dark as bad. Oh my gosh. It's savage.
She's super.
Ooh, calling me the queen? Okay.
Why you go to the museum?
Yeah, why you go to the museum?
How'd she open that so easy?
Wait, why is she at the museum?
How he fell asleep and how she turning off the cameras.
The crown.
Oh, the queen's crown, I think.
That's Mal's. Not yours.
But you don't take it. How are you gonna
There's nobody getting close to me. Oh my god. To the evil queen. Okay.
gonna kill them?
Oh, you got some wicked schemes planned.
You don't broke the glass.
And she picked it up.
Oh, you won't put that on?
If you okay, I think she's just gonna break the crown. No worries. If she puts that on, I'm gonna get so mad.
Yeah.
Don't put it on. Just break it. Oh.
No, don't break it. Put it back.
Oh, she almost broke it.
No shit about the third.
Oh, that's Maleficent's
What is
staff.
she gonna do? She can't touch it or else she gonna curse.
Yeah. Oh no! Don't you dare. Okay.
And who is
She's
that?
putting it back. She's putting it back. She's putting it back. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
No.
No.
You're gonna get cursed. Honey, you're gonna get cursed.
No, she's making it back up.
No, she's putting up the crown.
What just happened?
She's putting it on. Oh, she's bad to the bone now. She put it on the. She touched it.
How is she not getting cursed?
How?
I think the curse was her turning evil. Oh, if you want a villain for the queen?
Oh, look at that twirl though. Oh, so you trying to be the queen now? You trying to take over Ben? Seriously?
She looks pretty good though.
Yeah.
But
She's actually trying to be them. She's actually
she looks like savage.
she's like, they ain't gonna respect me as not a good girl, not a bad girl. I'm gonna be a bad girl.
Yeah, guys, comment down below your reaction to this video. Bye.